When the power goes out, having the ability to cook without electricity becomes a critical survival skill. In this video, we'll explore essential techniques for cooking without power, helping you prepare meals during emergencies or off-grid situations. First, consider using a portable camping stove. These stoves are lightweight, easy to set up, and run on propane or butane, making them a great option for off-grid cooking. Be sure to keep extra fuel canisters on hand for emergencies. Another reliable option is a solar cooker. It harnesses the power of the sun to cook food and can be a lifesaver during long-term power outages. Solar cookers are eco-friendly and require no fuel, but remember they only work during daylight hours. For more traditional methods, try a Dutch oven over an open fire. With proper heat management, you can bake, roast, and boil meals just like you would in a conventional oven. Lastly, consider building a rocket stove, a simple DIY stove that uses minimal wood to produce a strong flame. This method is efficient and ideal for cooking in survival situations where resources are limited. By learning these essential techniques, you'll be well prepared to cook without power, no matter the situation. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.